Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best folding chair feet is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components of a folding chair, significantly impacting stability, durability, and overall user experience. In this video, we will delve into the world of folding chair feet, exploring various designs, materials, and functionalities to help you choose the perfect feet for your chairs, ensuring comfort, safety, and longevity. Number 5. Aneaseit Silicone Chair Leg Protectors. These protectors safeguard your furniture and floors, extending their lifespan. They're perfect for all your home furniture, ensuring lasting protection. Applying and removing them is a breeze. It's effortless to switch them between furniture pieces as needed. They significantly reduce noise when moving furniture, creating a quieter home environment. Say goodbye to noisy chair scrapes. These protectors seamlessly adapt to various furniture types, from chairs and tables to other household items. They offer superior protection for your floors. Their discreet design complements any decor. They enhance your space's aesthetic appeal while providing crucial protection. They provide a protective barrier between your furniture and floors, preventing scratches and damage. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your floors are safe. What we like. These chair leg protectors offer superior protection for your furniture and floors, ensuring longevity. They're incredibly easy to apply and remove, making them perfect for switching between furniture. If you value a quiet home and want to protect your floors from scratches, you should consider these. What people say. They fit over the chair legs perfectly because of the stretch, and haven't slipped off or given me any trouble yet. These work perfectly with the flanged feet on our bar stools. I've tried several other varieties that just weren't flexible enough to work or were just too sloppy. These stretch over the flange, then fit reasonably well on the leg. They stay in place perfectly well, unlike the stick-on variety, and protect the hardwood. The part that fits around the chair leg is tight and good quality. The actual pad is sturdy and does its job. Number 4. HNYYZL Chair Leg Caps. These chair leg caps are a simple solution to protect your floors and furniture. They're easy to install and provide a comfortable, quiet living space. With 32 caps in the pack, you'll have enough to protect all your chairs and tables. They're perfect for daily use and will save your floors from scratches. These caps fit snugly onto 7-8-inch diameter legs or smaller, ensuring they stay put and won't fall off easily. Make sure to measure your chair legs before ordering. Made from high-quality rubber, they're soft, safe, and highly resistant to wear and tear. The one-piece molding ensures a smooth, sturdy finish. They grip chair legs gently, preventing scratches and reducing noise on your floors. Say goodbye to annoying scrapes and squeaks. Use them on chairs, desks, or even pointed objects to protect your floors and children. They're a practical addition to any home. What we like. Made of durable rubber, these chair leg caps are soft, safe, and wear-resistant. They grip chair legs securely, preventing scratches and reducing noise. If you need a long-lasting, reliable solution to protect your floors and furniture, this is the one for you. What people say. These fit great and were super easy to install. Very tight fit, should not come off. Used them on my folding camping chairs. Did the job well and have good traction so stacked chairs leaning against the wall don't slide and fall like some other plastic caps. Number 3. Jetec 72 Chair Leg Caps. These chair leg caps are perfect for protecting your floors and furniture. They're easy to install and come in a pack of 72. Say goodbye to scratches and dents. They prevent damage to your floors and keep your chairs looking great. Just remove your old caps and snap these on. It's that easy. Made from high-quality plastic, they're built to last. Enjoy long-term protection for your investment. Their compact size makes storage a breeze. They won't clutter your home. Ideal for metal and upholstered folding chairs. Please check the size before purchasing. What we like. These heavy-duty plastic chair leg caps are designed for long-term use and are incredibly easy to install. They protect both your floors and chair legs from damage. If you're looking for a durable, affordable solution for your folding chairs, these are a great choice. What people say. One of my Costco folding chairs had a bad cap that caused damage to my floor, so I looked on Amazon for a solution. Buying a whole new chair would have been so expensive, but this cost-effective solution was to get these great caps. My husband and I easily replaced all of the caps on all of our folding chairs in a few minutes. They perfectly fit our chairs. The offending chair no longer scratches the floor. The chairs are stable and the thickness of these caps makes me think they will last for a long time. Replaced cracked rubber feet on 8 folding chairs. Easy to install if the chair leg tube is perfectly round. I had to file the sharp edge from my chair leg tube ends and these tap on easily and straight. These leave no marks on my painted porch. These fit nice and tight on these chairs. Actually so tight I had to take a small hammer and tap them a bit to get them all the way on the leg of the chair. I prefer this over something that might be too loose and fall off. So I didn't mind the snug fit. Also, after reading several reviews, I noticed many were made of rubber, and didn't last very long, so I was looking for something similar to the original caps, and with these being a hard plastic versus rubber, that was the other selling point when I bought these. Number 2. Folding chair leg caps. These chair leg caps are perfect for protecting your floors and furniture. They're easy to install and come in a pack of 36. Say goodbye to scratches and scuffs. They prevent damage to both your floors and your chair legs. Simply remove your old caps and snap these on. It's quick, easy, and requires no special tools. Made from high-quality plastic, they're built to withstand daily use and last for a long time. They're a smart investment for your home. Their compact size makes storage a breeze. They won't clutter your space. These caps are designed for 7/8-inch diameter steel tube legs. Please ensure your chair legs are compatible before purchasing. Suitable for metal and upholstered folding chairs, these caps offer comprehensive protection for your furniture. What we like. These chair leg caps are made of high-quality plastic, ensuring they're durable and long-lasting. They're also very easy to install and remove. If you need a durable, affordable solution for your folding chairs, these are a great choice. What people say. Fit perfectly. They were fairly easy to hammer onto the legs and fit tightly, so they should stay on. Caps are pretty much true to size. Very snug on painted chair legs. Appear to be durable, time will tell. Number 1. Shepherd 8761E leg tips. These chair leg caps are from the leader in floor and surface protection. They'll keep your floors safe from scratches and your furniture from sliding around. With a 7/8-inch inside diameter, they fit snugly over most tubular furniture legs. It's the perfect size for a secure and stable fit. Say goodbye to scratches and scuffs. They provide a protective barrier between your furniture and your floors. No more annoying scraping sounds as you move your chairs and stools. These leg tips create a smooth, quiet glide. Simply slide them onto your furniture legs. It's quick, easy, and requires no tools. Get a finished look in seconds. This pack includes 24 black rubber leg tips, enough to protect all your chairs and stools. They are perfect for any home or office. What we like. From a leader in floor protection, these rubber chair leg caps are designed to protect your floors from scratches and reduce noise. They're easy to install and provide a finished look to your furniture. If you prioritize floor protection and a quiet home environment, these are a great option. What people say. Works well. Very sturdy. These are the perfect fit for my staff. I made it for outdoor use but use the rubber tip for indoor so I don't mark the floor. I put a 1.5 washer in the tip so my outdoor cleat doesn't tear it up. They last very well. Great fit and the chair will not move without me wanting it to. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.